Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Cowen account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Cowen account, start by visiting the Cowen website. Locate the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in button. On the login page, find the activate account link and click on it. You will be redirected to the account activation page. Enter your email address associated with your Cowen account in the designated field. Click Next to proceed. Check your email inbox for a message from Cowen. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email from Cowen. Within the email, find the link to activate your account. Click on the activation link. This will take you to a new page to set your password. Create a strong password, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field. Click on Submit to finalize the activation process. You will see a confirmation message once your account is successfully activated. Now, return to the Cowen homepage. Click the Sign In button again. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click Sign In to access your account. You are now successfully logged into your Cowen account. Explore the platform and make the most of your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.